What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. Man, and I done went and done something. And which y'all already know, I got the Eclipse moving under its own power. But I'm still waiting on the mass airflow sensor. I'm still waiting on the speed sensor, and I'm still with the mass airflow, air filter, air intake, and the speed sensor. That way, I can drive it and see if no codes come back. But I made another purchase, guys. I made another purchase, and there it is, right there. So, timing belt broke on this thing right here, and y'all know me. Once I get a deal, once somebody presents me with a deal that I cannot refuse, I normally jump on it. This will probably be the first Swedish vehicle that I have had. Normally I go for the German ones, but I'm kind of veering away from the German stuff because it's ridiculously expensive to fix anything on it. So yeah, man, we got us a cute little car. But this car right here is gonna be going to my daughter. She's getting ready to start driving, and she said she wanted a 4-door car. So that's what I went looking for, and this is what I found. This thing right here, man, it's got dual exhaust. It's a S40 T5, and you know, the interior is clean. Let's see if we can see in there. Yeah, interior is clean, most definitely. Interior is clean. It still needs a good little detail. But I'm getting ready to play musical cars because we are getting ready to put the clutch in Cory's car today. That's what we're doing today. So I'll get ready to move some cars around for sure. And the transmission is almost finished for G-Pop, so we're gonna be doing that. But I got more parts that I need to buy. I'm gonna be putting a aluminum 3-chamber radiator in the front, and a new torque converter, and a new transmission cooler. Yeah, so we're gonna move some cars around. We're gonna move some doggone cars around so we can get started on Cory's car, because I want to have his car started and finished today.
Grab it all and put it on there. You got the, yup.
All right, guys. It's the next day. We actually finished this thing last night. We got everything back in there. But what I can tell you is, I'm never going to do another Ford Fusion again, ever in life. You already know I don't do Fords, you know what I'm saying? But never going to do another Ford Fusion again in my life. And I'm going to tell you what the problem was. You see this? Okay, so look.
You see that brace right there? That brace right there. See my finger at? That brace, that corner brace. There was one on this side. And as you can see,
I cut it out. I cut that mug out of there because it was in the way. And the only thing that it was holding was that coolant line right there. See that line right there? Hold on. I don't know if you can see it, but hold on, let me zoom in. There it is right there. See that line down there, the one that's not in focus? Yeah, the one that's not in focus. All it was doing was holding that line, but it wasn't letting the transmission come out. So guess what? I used the old Bad Chad zip cut. I sure did. The old Bad Chad zip cut right there. Yay! And I zipped it off of there. I sure did. Because it's structurally, it's not holding anything. You know what I'm saying? It's not holding nothing. And this car right here, it had different bolts. Like a Chevy, most suspension bolts are like a 17. Yeah, most suspension bolts are like a 17. On this thing right here, you got a 17, a 16, a 15, a 8, a 10. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what the engineers was thinking whenever they designed this doggone thing. Because it is what it is. It's done now. Stage 3 clutch install. And then the slave cylinder. Because somebody had been in here working, whoever put the slave cylinder in this thing, it had only had one bolt in it. And my son was telling me, he's like, Dad, it's hard to go in the first gear. It's hard to go in the first gear. And I'm like, well, we'll check it out. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we did. We checked it out. And the slave cylinder was, yeah, I'm sitting in a sauna right now. Yeah, it's real hot out here. Yeah, but we checked it out, and the slave cylinder only had one bolt in it. So that's why it wasn't engaging. And then the old throwout bearing, it was literally in two pieces. It's supposed to be one piece, but when I pulled it out, it came out in two pieces, meaning that it was at the end of its life. So, and there's the old clutch right there, old clutch. And I probably threw the old throwout bearing in the trash. I'm pretty sure I did, because it was in two pieces and it was crusty, dusty, busty. But what we're getting ready to do is we're getting ready to lower this thing down, and we're getting ready to crank this mug up, and we're getting ready to test this doggone clutch out, because I know it's ready to go. I know it's ready to go. So that's what we finna do. And I'll be back in a minute, gang. He's stupid. Hey. All right, I done changed clothes and got out of the oily ones. Now we're finna test this doggone whip out. Finna test it out. God, man. You crammed up in here. You know what I'm talking about? You gotta clean up in there, man. Is you that short? Hold on, don't spray that shit.
No.
Hell no. Don't spray that damn shit. Choke me up by then. Y'all excuse me for saying shit. Alright. Oh, you still need a new throwout bearing. God, man, you short, man. What's going on? Oh, there we go. Yeah, he still need a new throwout bearing. For sure. Safety first, gang. Safety first. Safety first. Let me try this thing. Oh, God. That engaged pretty good. What's wrong with it? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I don't know.
No, that's how it's gonna be.
You just gonna have to rev it real high.
Nah, it needs another throwout bearing. I mean, the slave cylinder. Yep.
That's what it is, huh?
Yeah, you need a new slave
Cause I was
cylinder.
about to say that's a brand new throwout bearing. Or no, yeah.
It's a brand new throwout bearing, but you need a
It does grab every time though.
Yeah, it do. But and then you're not gonna.
I don't know. I don't know that part.
You need a new throwout bearing. Not throwout bearing, slave cylinder. Sorry, it needs a new slave cylinder. But it's tight though. It's definitely tight. I can't even lie. I mean, but you ain't gonna go that fast, not with the AC pumping anyway.
No.
Definitely need a new slave cylinder. Because that slave cylinder is just at the bottom. Isn't it? Hold now. Hold on. Hey, this well, pretty fun now. Yeah, you definitely need a new you definitely need a new
Slave cylinder.
slave cylinder. What you thought you was doing? Yeah, you need a new slave cylinder. She alright.
That's why I just let it down rev.
All the doggone motor mounts and transmission mount need to be replaced. You can probably buy it in a kit for like $150. That's what that clicking is. Every time you hit every time you take off and it does that.
Yeah.
It's your
Motor mounts touching.
Motor mounts are bad. This one's broken. This one over here. Is this reverse? Don't have me driving. See that? You feel that? You feel that right there? When I
Yeah.
put it in gear, it went like that is your see that?
What?
That
Oh yeah.
yeah, that's your motor mounts. So we're gonna have to do those next. They're easy to get to. The dog bone mount we already had out, but the two that's on the side,
Yeah.
they're gonna have to be replaced. They're bad.
Okay.
Especially this one, it's bad. Man, you got some cold AC up in this motherfucker, Bob. Cold AC up in here.
Yum yan.
Yeah, but anyway, for those of y'all just now tuning in, man, y'all do me a favor, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe. join Luke Fizzle 828 to the Fizzle gang. And I need an icy. Now I'm gonna go get me an icy right now. Yeah.